Alright guys, welcome back to, I guess this would be technically part 2. I've been to the shop multiple times now since the last video, and there were just, I guess, things that I did film. Went on last Friday, and unfortunately one of the parts that I needed, which was the sensor, it didn't show up. So it showed up on Saturday. However, I was at the peak suspension meet, which I hope I uploaded before this video. I'm still editing it, so that's kind of why. So I know that sensor got there, or at least it was supposed to get there on Saturday, because Aaron sent me a screenshot. So, you know, we never know exactly, but that's what I'm hoping for. Today, Monday, woke up, heading straight over there, see what's going on, see if Aaron needs any help with anything. But from the last thing, and I hope I filmed it on Friday, but if not, I'm just gonna go over it real quick. Aaron was able to get the crank pulley bolt off, and there was a lot of things look good actually. The balance shaft, which I thought fucking exploded, didn't. They both look somehow brand new for 250,000 miles. You would just, I don't know what I would have thought they looked like, but they don't look like what I thought they would, if that makes any sense. The rods, like everything in the engine looks fine, which is kind of weird, but I guess, like, if I really think about it, most of the life of the Evo, like not the entire time obviously, but a good 4 years on and off, the car wasn't running at all. When I got the FP Red, I never got it fully tuned, so I never really beat the hell out of it. I was always supposed to go back to get the car tuned, and every single time, around the time when I was saving up, something would happen. For example, my cam snapped, bent all my valves. However, the pistons were fine. Later on after that, my timing belt snaps. It snapped, but the pistons were completely fine. So right now, I think what's going on is that because of the engine is, you know, at that 250,000 miles and just been through a lot of the seals are going bad, and a lot of the gaskets are going bad. And so what I'm assuming is that I know this, that I have a lot of oil issues, like a lot of oil coming from different places. So I'm assuming that a lot of the issues actually has to do with a lot of the excess oil just being thrown around on the outside of my motor, which I know isn't good. So that is one thing I'm gonna have to like save up to get more of, is new gaskets and stuff. But as of right now, just pulling up to the shop, and I will update when I get there.
My job today is to clean the hell out of these.
So what the fuck? Oh, this goes like this.
Oh, those look good. So that's the sensor.
So we're gonna come here and look for the sensor and see what happened. There's supposed to be something right here, as you can see. Jeez. But it's starting to come together. So that's nice. Ugh. I'm actually happy I cleaned this, because it looked so gross before, and it actually doesn't look that bad now. Like, it literally looked, I guess, like this. So, not too bad. I did clean this thing too, just to see if I could. So, next is this. Basically, I'm just going, while we're doing this, I'm just cleaning random stuff. As you can see, this is decently shiny, but lots of stuff needs work.
Surprised you didn't have this. None that in the pool.
Okay, so me turning this, Aaron. That click is the Maybach gear. Okay. And so every time I turn it, and this is the question I was gonna ask, is that means the valves and the pistons are okay. So
Rotating.
if the pistons were, or sorry, if the valves were bent, they'd be hitting, right? Or no?
And you would have resistance. trying to
Against?
rotate.
Oh, okay.
So it's smooth.
So right now it's like,
The clicking is just from it being sitting so long. There's no oil in the Maybach gear.
is me turning it gonna like fuck it up or no? Okay. But so that means
When we prime the motor,
it's gonna be okay.
it'll be fine. Freak accident.
Just listen to the sound of this damn Evo. It sounds so good. I hate driving it though, but whatever. Till the next one, part 3 coming soon. See you there.